Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopper block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Amish chicken noodle stew. Okay? Alright, so you're going to, first of all, you're going to need these. These are some Amish noodles, noodles right here, okay? That's how that looks up close. Alright. You're going to need you a whole chicken. Cut it in half. That's right, we're not going to do anything but cut that in half. And all you need for seasoning is this whole onion cut in fours. I'm going to put that in there. Alright. You're going to need 4 garlics chopped up roughly. Just like that, guys. That's what I'm telling you. I went to the store, someone told me how to make it, and I'm making it. You're going to need some celery, chopped up fine. I'm not chopped up fine, but chopped up roughly. Everything is chopped up roughly or leaving whole. You're going to need some carrots, baby carrots, or some thick carrots, or whatever the case may be. Just like so. This is like a half cup of that, and with a cup of the celery, so it was 4 stalks of that. And I'm gonna put that in here. You're gonna need some mushrooms. Now, this is just regular mushrooms, so you wanna wash yours off and put it up in the kitty. All right? So I'm gonna put that in here. Put all of it in there. All right, guys. And I'm gonna season this up with just plain salt and pepper. That's how they get down, I guess. So I'm gonna put like maybe a teaspoon and a half of that in here of salt, pink sea salt. And I'm coming with a tablespoon of black pepper. No, teaspoon and a half. All right, that's what we should be looking like that. We're gonna go ahead and let this stuff cook up, and I'll show you what we got. That's just so simple. All right. Next time I'll show you how to cut up the chicken. All right. So comment down below if you want to see me cut up a chicken or something. I think I got a video on that. If I don't, I'll show you. See you guys in a minute. Hold on. My bad. We're gonna cook this about half an hour. Not half an hour, but about, I want to say 45-minute pressure cooking this. Okay. And I'll show you how it looks after that. All right, guys? So stay tuned in a minute. Okay, fam, I am back. This is how it looks. You see all this water like that? Now your boy, I ain't finna eat that soup just like that. So, I mean, they normally make a roux with their stuff, but your boy is not gonna make the roux. And they leave the bones and all that stuff in here. And I did forget to tell you about the 2 bay leaves that I had in there, okay? I had 2 bay leaves in there. There's one of them right there. So what I'm going to do is take some of this, that's why y'all seen that on the table, this cream of chicken. I'm going to put that in there. The whole can. And I like mine's creamy. Now, but if you want to make a roux or something, you're welcome to do that as well. That's how they thicken theirs up. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stir that around in there. And I'm going to cook it for another 10 minutes. The chicken actually is done. As you can see, it's almost falling off the bone. It is. So that's what you want to do. I'm going to take these noodles, the Amish noodles, put probably like half of this bag in there, or a little bit over half, just like so. Now if they're a little bit long for you, you can always break them up. This is how I'm going to get down with mine. Matter of fact, I might put all of them noodles in there. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and show you the finished product. Just a little quick, simple video on some Amish chicken noodle stew. This is how they get down. This is what the guy told me. I'm going by his recipe. Other than that, that cream of chicken, they make a roux up, like some. You can use some starch, cornstarch, some flour, or whatever. But I ain't trying to do all that because I don't want too much starch and stuff. And I did taste it. Tastes like it do need a little bit more salt. I'm gonna add me a touch of this turmeric in mine. It's really good for you guys. If you don't want none in yours, you don't have to. But we'll go with a half a teaspoon, but it's very, very, very healthy for you. Okay? All right. I'm just showing you something different. They leave the skin and all that stuff on there. All right, guys. I'm gonna put probably like a half teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of this salt. Just like so. And that's it for me. Probably put a little bit of black pepper on mine when it gets done all the way. And that's about it, guys. I think I will put some more of these noodles in here. I'll probably go ahead and put the whole bag here. Might as well. Put the whole bag. Yes, sir. Because these don't blow up as much. They pretty much remain the same size. So, alright guys. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Finally done with this chicken noodle stew. This is how it looks. Now, excuse me, my hand's kind of wobbly. But this is it right here, guys. It's an Amish chicken noodle stew. From my home to your home. Alright? So make you some of this. I know you guys probably ain't gonna make none in the summertime, but hey, I eat soup all year round. No doubt about it. I'm gonna go ahead and taste some of this. See how it tastes. Pretty good. Pretty good. See if I can get some more of this. These noodles pretty long. Ooh. Might have to break that part off or something. You guys can taste. There you go. You can get that bite right there. Right there, guys. So guys, gotta make you some. Please make you some. Cause it's off the chain, no doubt about it. And I'm gonna put some of this on mine. Alright, so saying that to say this, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And that's right. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. So you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out of here. Much love.